Arterial supply of nervous system. Circle of Willis is formed at base of brain. Circle of Willis is contributed by two arteries. Anteriorly, internal carotid artery. Posteriorly, vertebral artery, forming basilar artery. Branches of internal carotid artery. Anterior cerebral artery. Major artery supplying medial cerebrum. Middle cerebral artery supplies lateral cerebrum. Posterior communicating artery. Anterior cerebral artery. Important information. Macular area. Occipital pole on occipital visual cortex has dual blood supply from posterior cerebral artery, middle cerebral artery. If there is block in posterior cerebral artery, there is contralateral homonymous hemianopia with macular sparing. Because the macular area on occipital lobe has dual blood supply, middle cerebral artery does not supply the homunculus area of pelvis, perineum and lower limb. It is supplied by anterior cerebral artery. Circle of Willis, right and left vertebral arteries. Enters through foramen magnum. Gives right and left posterior inferior cerebellar arteries. Join at pontomedullary junction to form basilar arteries. Basilar artery formed at pontomedullary junction by the right and left cerebral arteries. Gives the right and left anterior inferior cerebellar artery. Anterior inferior cerebellar artery gives a branch called as labyrinthine artery to the inner ear. Basilar artery also gives right and left superior cerebellar artery. Basilar artery reaches the midbrain and divides into right and left posterior cerebral arteries. Internal carotid artery. Branches of internal carotid artery on either side. Anterior cerebral artery, middle cerebral artery, posterior communicating artery. Anterior cerebral arteries and posterior communicating arteries contribute to form circle of Willis. Posterior communicating artery anastomose with posterior cerebral artery on either side. Anterior cerebral artery are connected with each other via anterior communicating artery. Circle of Willis